In this video, we will understand about the nature of roots of any quadratic equation of class 10th chapter number 4. Hello my awesome students and welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I create videos related to class 9th and 12th mathematics solutions. So in this video, we will understand about the nature of the roots. Three types of the roots we will understand: real and equal roots, what is the condition real and distinct roots, and what is the condition for no real roots. So let's start our today's topic, which is nature of roots. Okay, so till now we have learned about the quadratic formula, how to find out the roots of the roots of any quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. The formula says minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what happens? My one root is minus b plus under root of b square minus 2ac by 2a, and my second root is x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are my two roots of any quadratic equation. So now I have to learn about their nature, means how are the different characteristics, different things they can have, like how much different these type of roots can be. Okay, so the very first condition we are taking is that suppose if my under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what we are studying today is we are studying the nature of the roots, what characteristics the roots exhibits. With these are the two roots, what characteristics the roots have. Okay, so for that I am assuming the very first condition, that suppose if my under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, so put the values in both the equations. What you will get? Your one root will be, this is 0, so minus b divided by 2a, and from here also our second root will be what? This will be 0, minus b minus 0 divided by 2a, which will be minus b by 2a. Okay, so my both the roots are equal, both the roots are coming as equal. So in this case what I will say, my real roots exist and both are equal. Okay, so this is the first nature of the roots, that if my under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then my both the roots will be equal. Okay, so this is the first nature of roots we are calculating. Okay, then coming to next part, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, then what will happen? Then this and minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The statement will remain as it is because we do not know the value of this. Okay, so this will be minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac is divided by 2a. So in this case what will happen? Real roots and distinct roots exist, means both the roots are different. Okay, real and distinct roots will exist. Suppose this is my 2 value and this can be my any value, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 or 5, 4, 3, any value can be there. So these two values will be different from each other, but both the roots will be real. Okay, so this is the second nature of the root, right? So coming to the next third condition, if under root of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, right? If this value is less than 0, then what will happen? X is equal to minus b plus less than 0 means this value will be in negative divided by 2a. Similarly here also
x is equal to minus b minus any negative value divided by 2a. So if I am going to calculate under root of any negative value, then can I get any real value? No, I will get the complex numbers values in iota. Under root of any negative value can never be real. According to mathematics, under root of any negative value is not real. So if this is not real, then I am going to add some value in this, then obviously this result will not be real. Okay, so I can say that my no real roots exist in this case. Okay, so these are the only three characteristics which are possible for the roots, that if my under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then my real roots will exist. If my under root of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then my real roots and distinct roots will exist. And if my under root of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then my no real roots will exist. Okay. So now you can have a question in your mind that why I am choosing only 3 values for my under root of b square minus 4ac. Whether it is 0, whether it is positive, or whether it is negative, means greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. Why I am choosing only these 3 values? Because you can see on number line only 3 values are possible. Whether any value will be 0, whether my values will be positive, or either my values will be negative. So no any other value is possible. So that's why only three cases exist, that either your value is negative, either your value is equal to 0, or either your value is positive. So remember that these 3 conditions exist, that either your roots will be equal, your roots will be distinct and real, or your no roots will exist. Okay. So you can see that this under root of b square minus 4ac is the factor which is deciding whether my roots will be equal and real, or my roots will be real and distinct, or my no real roots exist. Okay, so this is the factor which is deciding that whether my roots will be equal, which is deciding the nature of the roots, means whether the roots are equal, distinct, or no real roots exist. Okay, so that's why this is the deciding factor, this is the discriminant deciding factor. Okay, I can say that this is the deciding factor. Okay, so another name given to this deciding factor in mathematics is known as what? It is known as discriminant. And in English also this means the deciding factor, the divising part which is deciding that what will happen. Okay, whether the roots will be equal or distinct or no real. Okay, it is deciding. And in Hindi, if I will say that this discriminant means vibhedak. Okay, and vibhedak means the which is dividing. Okay, so that's why this is called as the deciding factor. That's why this is called as our discriminant. So we say that if my discriminant is equal to 0, then my equal and real roots will exist. If my discriminant is greater than 0, then my real and distinct roots will exist. And if my discriminant is less than 0, then my no real roots will exist. Right? So now moving to example number 16, which says that find the discriminant of 2 quadratic equations and hence find the nature of its roots. So this quadratic equation is given to you and you have to find out discriminant. Discriminant means what? You have to find out b square minus 4ac. Okay, and hence find the nature of its roots. So depending upon this value, you have to find out whether your roots are equal or whether your roots are distinct or whether no roots exist, and you know how to do that. We have solved a lot of questions by using quadratic formula. So what we do first, we compare our given equation with the standard form of equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if I will do comparison, then I will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to -4 and c is equal to 3. Okay, so put the values in the given equation. That means b square, to find out the value, b square minus 4ac. So my b is -4 square, -4a is 2 and c is 3. 4 4 is the 16 minus 4 2 is the 8, 8 3 is the 24. So which will give me -8. So this is what? This is less than 0. Right? So what does it mean? If this is less than 0, then it means that my no real roots exists. Okay, so this much I have to do. I have to find out the discriminant is this and find the nature of its root. So nature is what? My nature of root is what? That no real roots exist, because this value is coming as less than 0.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get updates of my new videos. So in the next video, we will solve the remaining examples of exercise 4. Till then, take care and bye bye.